What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest furniture to build as a beginner. Let's dive in. All right, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the podcast. As always, my name is Zach Vaught and I'm your host, and I'm super pumped that you're here. Listen, you could be spending your time anywhere doing anything, but you're choosing to watch this video or listen to this podcast and hang out with me. And so I really do appreciate your time, your attention, and I hope that this is helpful and beneficial to you. If it is, be sure to leave me a review. Be sure to leave me a comment. Be sure to subscribe. If you're listening to this on the podcast, man, I am in desperate need of some more reviews. So if this has been helpful to you, hit me up, leave me some reviews, hook a brother up, okay? So in today's episode, I want to walk you through the easiest furniture that you can build as a beginner. So in today's video, I'm not going to give you a giant list of projects. What I'm going to do instead is I'm going to give you 3 resources, 3 websites where I went to when I first started growing my custom furniture business that gave me great ideas and even plans to build some of my very first products, okay? So a little bit more on me real quick. When I was in high school, I did some woodworking projects in high school. Graduated from high school, didn't touch a tool for a long time, got married, and then started diving into building a custom furniture business. And with that, I was a little bit rusty, right? I didn't really have recent experience. And so I needed to kind of brush up on my skills, and I needed a guide along the way. And so I found a couple websites that not only had designs for me, but also had accompanying plans that were totally free that you can download and print off and use those plans to build your very first custom furniture projects. Okay, so I'm gonna give you 3 websites that are awesome that you should go check out. Okay, number 1 is a website called shantytochic.com. shantytochic.com. And you can go to that website. It's an older site. I don't know if they continue to update it or not, but I do know that they were just overrun with great custom furniture projects along with the corresponding plans. And you can download them, print them off, and use them for your first project, okay? So shantytochic.com. It's 2 sisters that are awesome and create really great plans. The second website that you can check out is a website called annawhite.com. Anna White has built an incredible website that has hundreds, if not even thousands, of plans for custom furniture. So go check that out. And then lastly is a website called rogueengineer.com. And this was where I got the plans for the very first coffee table build that kicked off my custom furniture business. And so go check this out. These are totally free. You can download plans for free. And this is what you need to jumpstart your custom furniture business or to start building your first piece of furniture if you're trying to get started. Don't overcomplicate it. You don't have to have crazy joinery or go buy the most luxurious hardwoods on the planet. Go buy some dimensional lumber that's cheap. You can spend $50, $60, $80 on it. Sit down with these plans, hammer it out, and get your first product built and get some confidence under your belt. And so with this, if you're a beginner watching this, I want to give you a couple resources, okay? Number 1 is the Handmade Business Secrets ebook. It's an ebook that I wrote that really outlined my journey from brand new beginner to scaling my woodworking business to over $70,000 per month and how you can do the exact same thing. It's totally free to you. It's the first link in the description below. Be sure to check that out. And then number 2 is the Handmade Hero Academy program. If you're watching this and you're stuck and you're trying to get to like $5,000 to $10,000 per month with your custom furniture business or your woodworking business, that's the number 1 resource that I can recommend to you. It's a low-cost investment that's really going to equip you and help you with the business principles that you need in order to scale and grow. You sell one piece of custom furniture as a result of what you learn inside of that program, it more than pays for itself. And so with that, I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you guys in the next one.